Well, who do we have here? My brand new experiment. I'll call you PBBV. You need to help me on a mission to kill this player that's trying to get all the missing kids. I can't let that happen. Well, because I will be experimenting on the... Now, go out there.
You are now going on your trip.
Here, go through this portal. You'll get him eventually.
Hey Timmy, do you want to play minigames? Awesome! Let's play tag! Okay Timmy, this is how you play tag. One person is the tagger. The other is supposed to run away from the tagger. Let's begin! I'll go first. I'll set the timer to 1 minute 30 seconds. job on tag, though. You were really fast.
Hey, you two come over here. I just want to talk with you. No, actually, I want to kill you. No, hey, why are you running? Hey, come back here. Boys, go get him. Yeah, I got you now, you little shit. Yeah. Yeah. Boys, let's go.
Hey, listen to me. Kill the police. Get revenge. Do it. Do it.
Hey, don't say nightmare. You don't want to do it, I swear.
Okay, just shut the fuck up.
Why?
Listen to me. You have to kill them. Kill them all.
That's it. I can't take it anymore. He was my best friend, and they had to kill him. They're gonna pay for this. They're gonna pay for this.
Oh shit.